Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Fran and I make these videos every week with the Sunnybank Trust. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. And this week's theme is St David's Day. St David was the patron saint of Wales, so today we're going to be making these Welsh dragons. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need some orange tissue paper and some yellow tissue paper, a red crayon and a black crayon, tape and some scissors, white card and glue, red card, or alternatively you can use some toilet roll cardboard. We've got another template this week, so find the link in the caption below. If you're tracing your template, you will need a laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. Here's how we do it. Turn your brightness up on your screen to 100%. Place your paper on top and gently trace around the outlines of your template. Using your scissors, cut around the outside of your template. Don't forget to recycle. Apply glue to the back of your templates and stick them on to your white card. Take out your toilet roll cardboard and cut down the middle with your scissors. Open it up and flatten it down on the outer side. Using your red crayon, colour in the outer surface of your cardboard. If you don't have toilet roll cardboard, alternatively you can use some red card for this part. Next, take out your yellow and orange tissue paper. Place them one on top of the other. Fold them both in half. Now you can cut down the fold using your scissors. You'll only need one of these halves, so save the other half for future projects. Fold in half again. And cut down the fold. Along the long side of your tissue paper, start cutting down in strips. Make sure the strips don't fully reach the end. We're going for a sort of tassel effect. Keep cutting all the way down until you get to the end. Take your red shape and turn it over to the back. We're going to be placing our orange and yellow tassels along the bottom edge of our cardboard. Apply tape joining your tissue and cardboard together. Cut off any excess tape or tissue from the sides. Using your sellotape, attach two sides of the red card to each other. Using a black crayon, draw on two nostrils close to the edge of where the tissue paper is. Take out your two templates from before and cut them out of the card. Apply glue to the rectangle parts on your templates. Fold this part over backwards and stick it to your red cardboard shape. This will be for your eyes. So you can stick one just above each nostril. Let's stick on the other eye, apply glue to the rectangle and bend it backwards and place it down on the red card. Don't forget to wait for these to dry before using. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a Welsh dragon today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.